All right, we're back for another Las Vegas home tour. So if you guys like home tours, stick around. We're gonna check out this renovated home right here in Rhodes Ranch in the southwest of Las Vegas. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, my name is Bryan Knisley. I'm the local Las Vegas real estate broker. And this channel is everything Vegas. You guys, whether it's real estate like this or lifestyle choices here in Vegas, please reach out. Love hearing from people. Love helping people find their dream home right here in the Las Vegas Valley. And we're hoping for you to be the next one. Please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. And let's get into this tour right now.
This two-story home on a corner lot was built in 2002 and has 2,780 square feet of living space. Priced at just under $700,000, this property features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and a heated pool. Nestled at the base of Spring Mountain in the southwest region of Las Vegas, Rhodes Ranch is a sprawling 1,330-acre master plan golf community developed in 1997. This guard-gated community is strategically laid out around the Rhodes Ranch 18-hole public golf course, providing residents with picturesque views. A prime location just minutes away from the I-215 freeway ensures that the Las Vegas airport is a short 15-minute drive. The community is home to the impressive 35,000 square foot recreation center, which is a hub of activity and relaxation. Spread across a 10-acre area, the Rhodes Ranch Recreation Center and Water Park offers a variety of amenities that cater to all age groups. The 13,000 square foot lagoon pool is a resident favorite, and families especially enjoy the 10,000 square foot water park, perfect for cooling off during those hot summer Las Vegas days.
Okay guys, we're gonna jump into this one, but wanted to let you know that we're in Rhodes Ranch, which is a guard-gated community. Tons and tons of amenities here, which we'll show you on some B-roll. But let's walk up to this property. As we walk in, I want you guys to realize this is a completely renovated property. And the reason why I wanted to tour this property today, because we do renovations ourselves, been doing it for many years. And I love to kind of evaluate what other renovators are doing, whether it's a good job or a bad job. So you guys let me know what you think of this one, but let's go inside. So we got 2-car garage. As you go up, they've completely repainted the entire outside of this house. So the outside looks really nice. As you walk in, we've got a little patio up front here with the window looking into the formal living room. And then come on in. So the first thing that I notice when I walk in here is this entire bottom floor is filled with the shiny tile. So I think most people are either gonna love it or hate it. Let me know which one you're in, which camp you're in there. But I see this a lot of renovators are using the shiny tile. Very, very difficult to keep clean, and it shows all the imperfections. But again, you might be one of the people that absolutely love it. So as we walk in, we can see we've got nice big ceilings in here. This is kind of our formal living area. We've got a formal dining space here. Looks like they've changed out the chandelier lighting up top here. And then as we walk in, we'll go into the kitchen here. So, nice little kitchen. We've got the waterfall countertops here with the quartz countertops. They've completely replaced everything in here, including the cabinets, with lots of upgraded features in here as far as rollouts. They've even labeled everything. Got solid wood panel doors on the cabinets there, soft close, lots of good stuff. Got all kinds of cool amenities in the sink here. Stainless steel undermount sink with your sprayer. What do we have here as far as the 5-burner range, ventilation hood above, and then we've got the pantry over here. Nice big corner pantry, stainless steel fridge here, and then we've got more of a breakfast nook dining area over here that you could set up a table, or I guess over here under the lighting you can set up the table. And then we got a nice big window in here letting in lots of light as well. So pretty good space. All right, so this property's got the primary bedroom downstairs, so let's head on into the primary now. So you can see we transitioned from the shiny tile, glossy tile, whatever you want to call it, into the laminate wood, which is in all the bedrooms in here. And you can see too, they've upgraded all of the hardware on all the doors and completely renovated this bathroom here, which I do love the drain and the tile in the shower. We got this textured tile back here with the designer tile in the back as a backsplash here. frosted window. The tub is great. Love this tub. Dual sinks. Again, all new cabinets throughout. And I do also like these mirrors here that have the backlighting on them, because you can turn off the rest of the lights at night, and the backlit lights are really nice. And you've got your primary closet here, a little small on the smaller side for a house of this size for a primary bedroom, but it is what it is. Let's head on this way. Watch the door. You've got a half bath down here. Looks like we got to put in some floating cabinets here, some more designer tile in the back there. The toilets that they put in are the one-piece toilets, so they're upgraded. And then as we walk this way, we see we've got the laundry room just before you hit the garage. And then our 2-car garage out here. It's pretty dark, pretty standard, just a garage. Let's head back upstairs. All right, with almost 2,800 square feet, we've got another 3 bedrooms upstairs with a huge loft. Let's go on and take a look. As we go up, you can see we've got the laminate wood on the stairs. Wood railings up and way up. And opens immediately up to this massive loft slash media room, or whatever you want to make this, but I could see this would definitely be the hangout area. Put a big screen TV on the wall there. Tons and tons of space. Awesome. As we walk to this side, again, I'm out of breath. We got a full bath here with dual sinks. Again, all the cabinets and the countertops are matching with the backlit lighting in there, and you've got a full shower inside the bath there. We'll head to this side where we've got another full bathroom that services these 2 bedrooms over here. Looks like they put in another storage space up here, again with the quartz countertops and the same cabinets, which is nice. And we've got 2 big bedrooms over here. This is probably the biggest one of all, but really good sized bedrooms for here. And again, upgraded carpeting here. Love the carpeting. And then we've got another bedroom over here. Obviously just standard bedrooms, closet. And then we'll head off to bedroom number 3 upstairs. Keep up. Again, each of these bedrooms is pretty decent size. This is the smallest of all of them, and it's still a good sized bedroom. It looks like this one might have a walk-in closet, and it does. So, awesome. All right, before we go check out the backyard and the pool, let me know what you guys think of this renovation. Some of the feedback that I would have for the seller would be to absolutely do a final clean in here, polish everything. There seems to be a lot of construction dust left behind. It just gives it that real polished look and the finished off look. Also, clean the windows. That's another big pet peeve of mine. I would make sure that the windows are nice and bright, shiny, and you can see through them. But let's go check out the pool and we'll see what the backyard looks like. Coming out here, we've got a utility gate over here. I'm not sure how much good this would do other than just access to the backyard and the pool area. I don't think you could park a trailer or anything back here. Also got a fruit tree in the back, which is nice because Vegas, you know, you can plant some fruit trees here and they do really well because it's basically year-round sunshine. But I'm not sure if this is a, ow, it have thorns on it. Is that a lemon or a lime? I think that's a lime. So a lime tree back here. And then we've got a nice little pool back. Not a huge size pool, but again, in Vegas now, they're restricting all of our pool sizes to 600 square surface feet of the pool. So this is gonna be a pretty standard pool moving from this point out. Obviously this pool has been built a long time ago, but this is gonna be more of the standard size pool that you're gonna see in Vegas moving forward, unfortunately. We've got a covered patio out here with the Aluma wood, and that's it. So thanks for coming on a tour of this renovated property right here in Rhodes Ranch in the southwest of Las Vegas. This channel again is designed for everything Vegas. You guys, please reach out. We love hearing from you. Information is below. Do us a big favor. Please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. We can continue bringing this valuable content to you, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.